Exercise 3.16. A is equal to 8943 1 root 7 root 3 by 2 5 143068 minus 11 1. First question is the number of elements. Number of elements means we counting the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12 13 14 15 16. Number of elements 16. Next, order of matrix. Already I told. First I count the row. How many rows? 1 2 3 4 4 into. Next I count the column. 1 2 3 4. This matrix 4 into 4 matrix. Next I write the elements. A22. I told this is 1 A11 A12 A13. This is A14. Next this is A21 A22 A23 A24. Next A31 A32 A33 A34. Next this is A41 A42 A43. This is A44. So what is asking first one? A22. A22 root 7. Next A23 root 3 by 2. Next A24 5. Next A34 0. Next A43 minus 11. Next A44 1. First question over. Next second question. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? How many elements? 18 elements. What are the possible orders? 18 ones are 18 or 118 is 18. Next 2 nines are 18, 9 twos are 18. Next 3 6 are 18 or 6 threes are 18. Next 18 2 nines are 3 6 are 4 5. Next that is 6 elements asking. 6 elements 6 ones are 6 1 6 6 6 or 2 threes are 6 or 3 twos are 6. The possible orders. Next third question. Construct a 3 into 3 matrix whose elements are given by. 3 into 3 matrix means A is equal to A11 A12 A13. Next A21 A22 A23 A31 32 A33. This is only 3 into 3 matrix. First question, homework, you do it. Only I do this question. Second one, Aij is equal to I plus j the whole cube by 3. First we find A11. A11. First we put I for 1. Next we put j1 the whole cube by 3. 2 cube by 3 8 by 3. A11 8 by 3. Next A12. Next 1 plus 2 the whole cube by 3. 1 plus 2 3. 3 cube by 3. 3 cube 27 by 3. 27 by 3 9. A12. Next A13. 1 plus 3 the whole power 3 by 3. 1 plus 3 4. 4 cube by 3. 4 cube 64 by 3. A13 equal to 64 by 3. Next A21. 2 plus 1 the whole cube by 3. 2 plus 1 3 cube by 3. 27 by 3 is equal to 9. A21 equal to 9. Next A22. 2 plus 2 the whole cube by 3. 2 plus 2 4. 4 cube by 3. 4 cube 64 by 3. A22 is equal to 64 by 3. Next A23. 2 plus 3 the whole cube by 3. 2 plus 3 5 cube by 3. 5 cube 125 by 3. Next a31. 3 plus 1 the whole cube by 3. 3 plus 1 4 cube. 4 cube by 3. 4 cube 64 by 3. a31 equal to 64 by 3. Next a32 is equal to 3 plus 2 the whole cube by 3. 3 plus 2 5 cube by 3. 5 cube 125 by 3. a32 is equal to. Next a33. 3 plus 3 the whole cube by 3. 3 plus 3 6 cube. 6 cube plus 3. 6 cube 216 by 3. Second 7 3s are 21. 2 3s are 6. 72. a33 equal to 70. Next we substitute this number. This answer a is equal to a11 8 by 3. Next a12 9. Next a13 64 by 3. Next a21 9. Next a22 64 by 3. Next a23 125 by 3. Next a31 64 by 3. Next a32 125 by 3. Next a33 72. This is the answer. Second one I do it. First one homework. The sum homework. Next, if a is equal to 5 4 3 1 minus 7 9 3 8 2, then find the transpose of a. Already I told transpose means the row change into column, column change into row. As I change the column, the first column 5 1 3 change into row 5 1 3. Next second column minus 4 minus 7 8. Next third column change into row 3 9 2. This only answer. The sum is over. Next a root 7 minus 3 minus root 5 2 root 3 minus 5. Then find the transpose of minus a. First we find minus a, after only do transpose. Minus a means the change you multiply with minus. The minus change into plus, plus change into minus. Root 7 change into minus root 7. Minus 3 change into plus 3. Minus root 5 change into plus root 5. Plus 2 change into minus 2. Plus root 3 change into minus root 3. Minus 5 change into plus 5. First we find minus a. Next only we find minus a transpose. That's first column change into row. Minus root 7 root 5 minus root 3. Next this column change into row 3 minus 2 5. Fifth sum over. Next sixth sum. A equal to 5 2 2 minus root 17 0.75 by 2 8 3 1. Then verify a transpose. The whole transpose is equal to a. First I find a transpose. This column change into row 5 minus root 17 8. Next this column change into row 2 0.73. Next third column change into row 2 5 by 2 1. First I find the a transpose. Next I find a transpose, the whole transpose. Next this column change into row 5 2 2. Next second column change into row minus root 17 0.75 by 2. Next this third column change into row 8 3 1. This is equal to a. See 5 2 2 5 2 2 minus root 17 root 0.75 by 2. Next 8 3 1 8 3 1. This equal to a. So hence proved, hence verified. Next seventh sum. Find the values of x, y and z from the following ones. 12 3 x 3 by 2 is equal to y z 3 5. That first x strictly having number x equal to 3. Next y that place having 12. y equal to 12. Next, this z place, this left side having 3, so z equal to 3. Next, second question, x plus y 2, 5 plus z, xy 6, 2, 5, 8. Next, left hand side x plus y, right hand side that place having 6, so x plus y equal to 6. This is one. Next, second, left side 5 plus z, right side that place have 5. 5 plus z equal to 5, so z equal to 5. The left hand plus 5 change into right hand side minus 5, so z equal to 0. Next, xy, that left hand side has xy, the right hand that place having number xy is equal to 8, so y equal to, that left hand side the multiply is there, so this, that number goes to right hand side, change into divide, 8 by x. I substitute y equal to 8 by x in equation 1. X plus y equal to 6. X plus y, instead of y we substitute 8 by x equal to 6. Next we find LCM. X into x squared plus 8 by x equal to 6. Next we do cross multiply, x squared plus 8 plus 6x. Next, x squared, then 6x coming the right hand side, change into minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Next we do factorize. If we multiply the two numbers, then 8, if we add, is coming 6, so 4 2s are 8. If you multiply 4 2s are 8, 4 plus 2 6, minus 4 minus 2, x minus 4, x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 4 or x equal to 2. So we substitute x equal to 4 first. Xy equal to 8. First we substitute 4 into y equal to 8. Y equal to 8 divided by 4. Y equal to 2. Next we substitute 2. 2 into y equal to 8. Next y equal to 8 divided by 2. Y equal to 4. Answer, x equal to 4, y equal to 2. If x equal to 4 means y equal to 2, z equal to 0. Or x equal to 2, y if x equal to 2, answer y equal to 4, z equal to 0. This is only answer. Next, third question. X plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z is equal to 9, 5, 7. First, x plus y plus z equal to 9. This is equation 1. Next, x plus z equal to 5. Next, y plus z equal to 7. Next, we substitute x plus z equal to 5 in equation 1. Substitute x plus z equal to 5 in equation 1. X plus z, we substitute x plus z for 5. 5 plus y equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 minus 5. Y equal to 4. Next same. Next substitute y plus z equal to 7 in equation 1. X plus y plus z equal to 9. We substitute y plus z for 7. X plus 7 is equal to 9. X equal to 9 minus 7. X equal to 2. Next we find, next substitute x equal to 2, y equal to 4 in equation 1. x plus y plus z equal to 9. X for 2, next y for 4 plus z equal to 9. Z equal to 2 plus 4, 6. 9 minus 6. Z equal to 9 minus 6, 3. So answer x equal to 2, y equal to 4, z equal to 3.